Hey, I wanted to shoot a quick video, show you what we're doing. In some of these houses, this particular house was really tore up. It had some of the plumbing in for the bathrooms, but here's a couple bathrooms we're putting in here. So we're putting them fresh and new. You can see he's down there. Those are supply lines. He's actually putting in as we speak. And we put all new. I'll go up here real quick. Anytime you put extra bathrooms in a house, it does two things. It gets you more rent, and it gets you when you're ready to move and sell it, because these have equity. There's your other bathroom there. So there's all your, you've got to get all the lines up and get them done. But you got a lot. Most of them are done, but it's a lot of work. But at the end of the deal, you got you a nice house that's going to rent until you're ready to sell it. Bathrooms are a huge factor in homes, and if you know how to do them, myself, I've done almost 90 bathrooms, 90. So done a few, but a lot of times I just put them in the bathroom, in the basements here. But this particular one, the guy had already started upstairs, so we went ahead and did it. So you see here, we got, this is all new stuff. So when you're looking at buying a house for income or sell, call me. This is what we do. We get things done. And bathrooms are a big part of our business. So if there's a bathroom needed, we can take care of it. This is Brett. Give me a call. EXP Realty, 216-703-5740. Get your real estate on steroids. Get it going. 216-703-5740. Thanks.